Good morning, YouTube. How's everyone? Welcome in. Good morning, good morning. So it looks like we have a Fed speaker, 10 a.m.
What is up, Team Bo?
I knew Jaden would come in with a bang.
Honey. What's up, Greg? What's up, Grizzly Glow? What's up, Miss Lindsay?
What's up, Terry? What issues you having? Good morning, everyone. Welcome in, YouTube.
What's up, Quagmire? C. Barrett? Alright, guys, I'm going to try to not trade like dog doo today, alright? I was not happy with my performance yesterday, so we're going to try to catch a nice winner today. I'll do my absolute best. What up, Hot Cheese James, Bill, Sawdog, Sister and God?
Mm.
Oh, let's get this pie started and let's get started.
He's got the energy this morning. It's funny. It is funny. Welcome in, everyone. The strategies launch yesterday was a success. It went nice. So everyone on the wait list, the ones that wanted to, got in. Oh, Terry, I can send you that over. No issue. I have the PDF. I can just, or Medman can. It don't matter. Let me just send I'll send the PDF for how to automate it to Medman. If anybody is having issues with that, you can watch it. Alright, I sent it to you on Discord, Medman. Thomas, that is the truth. Teachers are underpaid. It's a shame, honestly. My aunt was a teacher her whole career, retired. No big deal. If you all want in, get in with me. If not, we'll just continue to trade on here. No pressure. Yeah, Thomas, that is the plus side. If yours doesn't show the cell like mine, it's your settings, I would say. Right here's my settings. I have the allow overlapping. And it could be your settings on your chart. You should have like an octagon up here. Make sure you have electronic trading hours on. And adjust for contract changes. Let me look at my phone real quick, Focal. Yeah, Focal. Once I sent out 3 of the giveaway winners for the Take Profit account. I sent your information to Take Profit. They'll send me an email back, then I'll send you instructions. But I could not find the 4th winner. So if I missed you and you haven't talked to me on Instagram yet, from the giveaway yesterday. I can't find your message with your email. Good morning. It'll just be a longer cell. You'll see it. It's very simple. It just has, short entry, long entry. What's up, Nicole? Oh, Jay done talking? Let me see. Was you talking to me, Jay? My
Yeah.
speakers was off.
What's up, dog?
What's up? See if we can catch a trade this morning. Thanks, Bill.
Discipline over dopamine, baby. That's what day it is. It ain't Monday. It ain't Tuesday. It ain't Wednesday. It sure ain't Thursday. It ain't Friday. It's discipline over dopamine day, baby. We're gonna catch a banger day. Tesla, big old pump right now. That's right.
Seems like people have. Hold on a second. From what I'm reading from everyone, it seems like people is having issues with Top Step. So be careful if you're using them.
Yeah. Let's go, baby. You can catch just one banger today after my poor performance yesterday. You guys ever that happen where your system says one thing but your gut says another, and your experience says another? So it happened yesterday. I had that feeling. I was telling Gene, I'm sure you guys heard my voice. It's like, I can see it going down. Nothing.
Bill, I'm not for sure. I haven't looked. I can take a look for you, Bill, in front of me. Let me look at AMD real quick.
Cool.
Wow. It's got some strength, huh? It's going to have some resistance up around 147.3 to 148, Bill. That's about all I have.
Check. Okay, there we go.
Oh, no problem.
personally just staying patient this morning.
Awesome.
See, nothing on Tesla yet. How about those long-term ads we took on NVIDIA, Grizzly? We're eating good on those, huh?
How's it going?
So 163.5, 164 right now. I think we're going to 200 plus.
What's up, everyone? I'm just replying to some emails or DMs here on WAP. Shorts doesn't look bad here, honestly, but it just doesn't match anything in my system. Just not part of mine. Any questions you have, YouTube? Now's the time.
Okay, we're touching this 0 to 1 level, power level. Let's see. Still break the low. What?
I just hope we have enough volume today, enough
Anything you like, bro?
enough trend to trigger the orb.
Okay, this level is 0 to 1 for our level, so just looking and see if they shows or not. Watching price action now. Want to see if it's a real break or if it
So 7:30, okay.
I just leave it on, Bill, unless it's like a,
Got a range in.
like we have a big day in the market or something. I think there'd be more risk. I would turn it off. but you need to. I would always, for those that do sign up, or did sign up for my strategies drop yesterday and got in, I always recommend test it on paper accounts until you understand it. Kind of see how they work. No rush. There's gonna be plenty of trades in the future, right? That's the best way to learn it. I had to learn it as well. But the videos, I have user guides and I have a video showing you how to automate it. Once you sign up, you'll have access to the community there that we have. You'll have a community chat. You'll have the guides part. That's where everything can be found.
Feeling good today.
Patrick, I don't know. Maybe.
Cautious of any potential setups.
Let's look at the 15-minute today. There we go.
Looks they want to go down in price action. Now we're below this for our level.
I like this area here, everyone, if we push down for a possible bounce. Grisology was right, I guess.
972, 976 is a range of levels I have right there.
Market's dumping.
That was the break, man. Jeez. I was expecting a small retest. It's okay. The daily level approaching 972. 976, 972. So, see if we get something there.
Typically, I look for a bounce here in Tesla. I think the market's dumping itself too.
Nice, Colonel. Hope you make a bag, man.
What do you want to do?
I'm not really trusting a bounce here, everyone. I'm just going to be honest with you. Could print. Grisology has proved me wrong before. I would be more interested in a bounce down here, this area.
Interesting. Close. I'll watch for the short as we go back up to 23. Let's see how that looks from that perspective. $23.
Did anything good happen during the FOMC minutes? I missed it.
40 points from 0 to 1 levels. Yes. So let's see if we go back to 0 to 1, if it's a reclaim or rejection.
3. 15.
You're looking for the retest of the 15-minute range, Shadon?
Yep. Because then, worst case, you can keep your stops below 43. It actually doesn't look that bad.
Yeah, we have VWAP at 0 30. 23.030 VWAP.
It's definitely a trade I'm willing to take if we can get up to that area. Definitely willing to try it.
If we get there.
Damn. It was gonna reject early, huh?
Looking that way. Looking that way.
Man.
Kind of did the 50% retracement of that previous candle and sold.
Yeah. I just wasn't willing to try it early. I mean, maybe if we got a little earlier than 5, 10 points, but it was still 13. Would have been 13 points early at the very top.
Touching up potential and bounce down.
I like
972, 976.
I like a bounce around that like 930 area. 22 930, right in that area. I'm gonna watch down to like 920, 22 930 to 22 920.
No, they've gone for such a far push down. I'm not going to try it if we go back to 23.
We have 10 a.m. Fed speaker. All I see right now. Well, we have another one at 2:30 p.m. as well. So 2 more Fed speakers today. One starts in like 6 minutes. Welcome back. Here to help. Hopefully we can catch a nice trade today. Oh, that's what I was going to do. Focal, I'm about to send you an Instagram message. I think so. Getting a little overextended here. Let me take a look, Michael. I wasn't looking at ES.
Still moving down. No trades for me yet.
Previous 5-minute candle on ES. Kind of iffy.
Not yet from me. Just staying patient. Staying super duper patient.
Good morning.
There's an elephant upstairs. My gosh. Sprinting around.
Rackerman had a little coffee in the bottle this
Oh
morning.
my gosh, he stole my coffee, I guess. Yeah, we're ripping down. There we go. I had to adjust my screen. It would have been a nasty trade if we would have just gone back a little farther.
Yes, it would have. What a 30-minute range. Larry, where'd that come from? I know what's on your mind, Larry. You caught me off guard with that one. Oh, that's interesting. Well, ES came. Well, I'm talking with Team Boy Muted. ES came back up and tested a 15-minute range and sold back off.
It's not in queue, huh?
It's not in queue.
ES did.
You're welcome, Focal. Hopefully you can make good
ES
use
isn't
out
as
of
hard
it.
as NASDAQ is.
Uh-oh. What was that?
Yeah, the ES orb was beautiful. Jesus, NASDAQ is getting crushed. Literally 5-10 points away from early entry I wanted. I'm gonna watch that 900 area for a bounce. Down like 880. That's really the only area I see.
Yeah, I seen that, Barry. I seen that. Yeah, I'm sure Ryan.
Whoops.
We can take care of that in a minute.
Look map up.
But Madman's always there to help with stuff like that, Ryan. If you have any, questions. Watching this closely here. The only thing that worries me here about the orb is how big the range is. So this would be a good learning experience here. On the 30-minute at least.
I'm not just gonna blindly take any bounce, but that's my main demand area. I see.
You know something, Jada?
What up?
The orb strategy took a trade at 9:30, 22 9:30 shorts on NQ.
Nice.
First trade of the strategies after the drop.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
What was his entry?
22 9:30 exactly. I don't know how I'm feeling about this range though. Quite a big orb range on 30-minute.
Come on, give me a good signal. What? I know. It's coming.
I mean, it never hurts, Ari. Or you can just take it, when it shows. But you can wait on the close, as long as it doesn't add too much risk.
I bet Brandon took while he's down there. It's his type of trade.
I think that's on you, Larry. I may be wrong. We'll see. This is a big trade for the orb strategy because I this will help me improve it, everyone. It's been a while since we had a range like this, and it's triggered a trade. I don't know if we'll reverse here. I think we're just bouncing off that whole psych number.
I got you. Run it up. Just trade smart. Choose discipline over dopamine. Nice job, Big Zo. Come on. Only thing I'm watching for right now, I don't have any short entries until potentially a failure of pre-market low again. Let's see how this looks top to bottom. Yeah, our 50%
Looking 972.
What?
972 for shorts, maybe.
Yeah, it'd have to come closer to that area. You killed it, Big Zo. No orb early entry for me, but it looks like if you took that, you killed it.
Sorry about that, Austin. That does suck.
No trades for me yet, guys. Staying patient. Staying real patient.
I just hate how big the range is. Days like this, you just have, seems like you have the worst cross section. We'll see. The 30-minute range at least. Wow, what a range.
Just got some here, just quickly.
What's everyone watching here, YouTube? What do you all like?
What do you say, Mr. Greg?
I'm just answering again. Looking for a question. I'm still here. want to see what happened at 972, 976.
Now we're really pumping.
I can retest this pre-market low. See what it does there.
Which number is that? Exactly.
I couldn't hear it. If you was talking to me, Greg, I couldn't understand you.
Which number are you looking?
I'm watching this pre-market low area, 22,976.
Yep.
Yeah, so I'm looking. 972, 976.
It's gonna sell this back off. Couldn't go a little higher, huh, before it did.
What was that candle on trade rate? That was crazy.
That's what I was expecting.
What the hell?
I was gonna rip some shorts just a little bit higher.
$50, 68. $68. I'm gonna try a small piece of shorts on this pop up near 50. We'll see a little pop up to 50, and if we get there, I'm trying shorts. I'd like to see 50.
Y'all hear Jay
55,
done?
and you only have risk up to 68. I've not entered yet. I've not entered yet, but my finger's on the trigger. Got a pop literally right below 50 to 49.75. Wow.
I think they're listening to you.
What's up?
I think they're listening to you.
Yeah, they're listening. Literally 25 cents below. That's crazy.
Yeah,
That is wild.
I hate that.
25
I hate
cents.
when that happens.
25 cents. Unreal. I mean, so far I haven't gotten a massive move, but we'll see. I'd like to see it pop in the 50s, and then, worst case is you break above 68. You stop out for a 15-point loss. I just don't want to miss this lower high if this ends up being it. Just don't really feel comfortable taking it.
The candles
Really,
just got too
especially
much
down here.
risk for me
Even
to.
if we trend down from here. That's crazy. The 25 cents, bro. 25 cents for my entry is nasty work. That is nasty work.
Oh my goodness. Goodness.
Sorry for that, man.
I can't believe that. 30 points so far from there. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, bro.
Man, this could go. We could see that previous day low quickly.
Unbelievable. Unreal, dude. I'm so salty. 25 cents for my entry. 25. $1? Nope. Oh man. That's gonna bother me. That sucks. I gotta take 5 minutes just to chill. That's annoying.
Make Gene put some boxing gloves on. Get some stress out. Relieve
Gene,
some stress.
grab the gloves. We're boxing. Worse than losing. Oh, for sure. If I follow my plan and take a loss, that's cool. When the market decides, you know what, let's just nip your entry by 25 cents on NQ, that is nasty work. I'm not gonna try it if we pop back up now. This is the move I wanted to see initially.
It's got to take out the buyers down there. If we take them out, we should see nice move down. $2,900 area's got dad strength. Oh no, Larry, you'll know if it bothers us. We just block people. Interested to see what we do here. Can we lose that 2,900?
I got some boxing, kickboxing experience. No jiu-jitsu though.
That's the entry longs.
Best in the longs, Greg.
Yes, sir.
The 5 minute actually looks pretty decent.
939.
I never trust 5
20.
candles like this for longs. I hope it prints. But and downtrends or aggressive, sell-offs.
Looking to add a starter piece with you too. Just wanted to see a bit of a pullback into this candle. I like how we have higher volume here, aggressive wick up, and a higher low on that candle as well. Just want to see a pullback into it a bit. So then your biggest risk is a flush below 908, or even better if you get a 30 entry, you just keep a 30-point stop loss, smaller position, stops below 900.
Yeah, my stop loss is 916. 939. So far, 10 points profit. Around 10 points, 8 and 10 points.
Well, YouTube, I don't think I'm gonna catch one. It's just weird. Anytime we have this big of a range, 30-minute orb, some weird price action. I still think we have more downside. I think we're just, taking in the sell-off. We're going to continue on down to that previous day low. That's my thoughts. Let's see here on this candle.
35, 30. Try to starter piece with you too. Belongs great.
Jaden's in longs,
Try to starter
everyone.
piece belongs.
Let's go. Let's go.
I think it's a great fill. I was trying to enter in 40.
I was at 939.5.
wanted to see that 30 area started just a small piece, so it's had a little more risk on it. But I like what we see in this 5-minute chart, this higher low. I like what we see at this volume. And the biggest risk is you flush 908. Biggest gain is we get this nice move out and we break through 968, get a really nice move up to that pre-market low.
I haven't been able to call one out yet.
I'd ideally like to see 930 to 920. That would have been my ideal entry, is a higher low within that candle, but it's worth the risk. I don't have any puts on pops entries until a pre-market low or higher.
Yeah, it went short, Dexter. And then it went like 30 points in profit, and now it's 10 points not in profit. 10 points in the red.
My worst case scenario on my micros is 908.
I don't like how big this range is, what it's saying,
908.
Dexter. Jade Dexter.
So around a 30-point stop. My position's really small. Ideally, I'd like 930 to 920. That would have been much lower risk in terms of points, but took that entry just in case.
Come on, Joe. Come on. 10 points profit. Come on. Give us more. Come on.
Yeah, I think we're just going to chop here, YouTube, for a minute.
In that 940 area.
I don't
Can't break through 950. That is going to be.
want to give you all a bad trade in this area. Let's
I
give
do
it some
like
time.
the
Let
chart.
it.
That's what I like to see if I'm looking for a reversal.
I'm going to give this
Strong
market.
like number.
If I can
Higher
talk.
low, aggressive vol.
I'm going to give this market some time, everyone. I don't like the price action. No clear direction as of right now. I think we're going to move on down. But I just think we'll chop here and get on everyone's nerve for a minute before we do. So. But peace, everyone.